Bro, this nigga about to get. Oh my. Bruh. No. Bro, this nigga about to get. Oh my. Bruh. No, do you understand what your mama about to do to you, bro?
Where is my phone? Use mine.
Bruh, so scared he about to snitch on himself. Oh my. Oh my.
Mommy,
Oh.
when I was shooting the BB gun, I accidentally shot the one that it accidentally hit the glass door.
Don't speak.
And all the glass fell. Yes. The screen door.
That's exactly what I expect.
All right.
Hold on. Ooh, let me see. Who did it?
Wrong.
What he did? He
Bounce off the wall. Don't sweep it that way. Sweep it
Ain't
that
no way.
Bring this stuff
Sweep
over
it
here.
that way.
Ain't no way. What you doing, Ron?
I'm passing.
Why?
I can't do it.
Do what?
I can't take it.
Ron, where you about? Where you going? Bruh, you got. Ron, come back, bruh. For real.
Hey, hold on, bro. I need some help.
Man, this boy hit a fleet. Got me doing the work. Nah. He didn't look what he did. He gonna sweep it. Oh, she back. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shut up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Listen.
Fuck, bro.
How you feel about bro?
I know, like, get that fucking camera out my face. Where is he at? Roll! Roll! Roll!
You about to
Where
get
you
that
at,
ass
bro?
whooped. Hey,
Cause I'm about to whoop your... No, roll! Roll! I'm about to whoop your